A Lesotho master's student, Tsepiso Ramaisa, designs a hydrogen plant to power cars using water. This National University of Lesotho, NUL, Masters of Sustainable Energy student, Tsepiso Ramaisa has successfully completed the first part of the work, in which she is designing a plant that will produce green hydrogen to power cars and other things such as fertilizer production. She is supervised by Professor Timothy Tarmay and Mr. Marudi Cow. I believe this design is the beginning of our concrete move towards using our water to power cars and other machines, she said in an interview. The plant, planned to be small in the beginning, will split water into hydrogen and oxygen. With enough funding, the project can be expanded to cover large consumer needs. Green hydrogen is even more suited for heavy engineering processes such as the production of fertilizers, cement, all kinds of chemicals, steel, trains, airplanes, and ships. In her interview with the SABC recently, this is what she said.
My drive to delve into the energy sector was more focused on the fact that the world is transitioning to greener energies to combat climate change. So that's when I was interested that I want to be part of that change.
And for Lesotho, what kind of advantage do you think it can actually maximize on this?
For Lesotho, we can be a country that leads the world when it comes to renewable energy, because we have abundant resources from our solar, our wind, plus us with the green hydrogen will be leading experts in the energy sector.
As part of her master's program, Tsepiso has already developed more than 230 equations with a goal to develop up to 1,000 that can be used to simulate multiple scenarios depending on the needs and scale desired. This is her blueprint.
So our hydrogen travels into this container as well with excess water, and then it is stored into these two containers. So after it is stored, it can be used in the fuel cell. So the fuel cell can be used to power our cars or then power the homes at large.
While the cost of producing hydrogen seems expensive for now, there are real benefits for research and innovation to bring down these costs, and this is why.
It has 3 times more energy density than petrol or diesel. It has 160 times more energy density than the batteries. That's why you can run not only light cars, you can run heavy trucks, you can run ships, you can run aeroplanes with hydrogen. That's how important it is.
But for renewable energy to succeed, there is a need for other energy sources to be streamlined.
Studies have been done to show that we have plenty of wind speeds, let's say Sani and Masite. Currently, we are prospecting Rote and Mohaleswiku. From the satellite, yes, we are certain that we can produce enough power, but we can't just start a plant without getting measurements really from the ground.
Tsepiso's colleague will be continuing with her other aspects of the design, filling in the remaining gaps in the material and energy balance.